Okay, I'm back for an update on the welding. So what I did, I designed this little truss and 3D printed some out. Now I'm going to use those later to hold something. But anyway, the one here we'll say hasn't been painted yet. And this is the one he's going to be welding. And there's the welder, and I had to repaint him because the Chinese thought that red pants were really cool. We can't have a welder with red pants. I changed some of the other colors on it, but that's what I'm going to use as the project for the wee welder. So let's see. If we take this here, I'm going to put it, sorry about this, isn't going to be a very high quality video. I'm going to put it in here. Whoops. Turn it around like that. Okay. So there be something like that. And we'll just pretend he has a welding unit by him, which I could make that too, I guess. Okay, and now we're going to put the lights back here. I'll have those glued down, but we'll just put them right back there for the time being. Okay, and we can plug this in for the power supply. Let's see this go. Get started, there it goes. Okay, now we need to put the roof on. There, like that. And we can turn on the power to the lights. And let's turn this light off. Okay, so there's the building. And then if we're looking at him, looks like that. I think it looks pretty good. Of course, you know, what am I supposed to say, right? If I didn't think it looked good, I wouldn't be taking the video. No, it actually looks like he's welding. I'm going to change the position of the lights a little bit. But, of course, most people aren't going to be that close. They'll be back here and they'll say, oh, yeah, that's really neat, a welding scene. And then they'll move on to something else. But for all the work, I don't know, is it worth it? Yeah. So that's what we're going to go ahead and we'll keep working. We'll go with this, I guess. Anyway, yeah, this is part of my electronics bench, repair bench, which I haven't done much with. I haven't had to repair anything lately. Ham radio is my other hobby. And there's some more. Too much junk. And there's my cat, Maxim. All right. Thanks for watching.